Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I'm doing well, thank you. Yes, today I'm going to share something special with you. I bought these okra. Look at them. They've been here for 2 days and look at how fresh they still are. You know, with this pandemic, the shops that bring African food ingredients for us here no longer have a timetable. So whenever you go there and see something, you just buy it because you don't know the next time you'll get it. Like something like this okra, one, it has become so expensive now and they don't buy it all the time, and two, because of the pandemic, there's no timetable. Anything you see, you take. So sometimes you go there, usually when life was normal. It fell on the floor. Wait, let me pick it. Small punishment for me now. There are still some on the floor, but I need this small quantity for my prop. What was I saying? When life was normal, the Pakistani shops, these are the shops that sell African food ingredients here in Spain, where I live. They used to bring this every single week, every Friday they'll bring it. So when you go there on a Saturday, you will see okra, fresh okra there. But not anymore. Since the pandemic, everything has scattered. So now whenever you go and you see, you buy. So I bought it. It has been here for 2 days, and now I'm afraid that it will go bad on me because I'm so busy here. So what I want to do now is to preserve it. Preserve it in such a way that it will be as good as fresh the day I want to use it to cook. So come on, let's go. Let me show you how I preserve okra forever. No, not forever. For like 6 to 8 months. Should still be good. All right. So like I was saying, if you live far away from an African shop, either you know that you only go there once in a blue moon, or they don't have it in stock, so they bring it every 3 months or something like that. Then whenever it comes, you can do this and preserve it till whenever. I already made a video sharing how I chop okra super fast because I like hand cut okra. So it's just a repetition of that. You can chop it anyhow you want. I like my okra kili. Tiny. Somebody asked me why I removed this. This is very fibrous. I don't like it. Thinking of all the vitamins there. Come on, look at. This is the small part. This is the bigger part. You've got vitamins from all of this. All you nutrient hunters. So when you're done, you place it in a foil like so. And wrap it up. If you want it to end up as small clumps, you can use an ice cube tray to freeze it. A silicone ice cube tray is the best, so the frozen okra can come out easily. Look at them. Put them in the freezer. The next day, they should all be frozen as long as that freezer is not suffering from NEPA ailment. Nepa virus. You see how easily it comes out of the silicone ice cube tray? You can store them as clumps, but for easy warm up in the soup, I crush them up like so into the Ziploc bag. You will see what I mean when I prepare the frozen okra soup. Have you subscribed? Have you? Subscribe so you know when I upload that video. In fact, consider this my announcement for my frozen ingredient series. I'll be uploading some Nigerian recipes that I'll prepare with frozen ingredients. You know, this is the era of frozen ingredients because a lot of people don't go out as much, so we freeze a lot of food to last for longer. So comment below to tell me the frozen ingredient you would want to see me cook with. Go ahead, comment, especially if you have never commented before. Break that comment virginity. Is it comment virginity or commenting virginity? Yeah, you have to break it today. You see how this one crushes easily? This is actually the easiest one, that's using foil. But for those who do not want to use aluminium foil for whatever reason, silicone ice cube tray it is. I put the Ziploc bags back in the freezer till whenever. Just make sure that they are frozen at all times. They can last for at least 6 months, 8 months, however long they recommend you store frozen vegetables these days. You know, these days, these specialists are changing these guidelines every day. The okra never changes color. This one did because I kept procrastinating about preserving it, and the okra changed color even before I sliced them. Yeah, that's the only reason why it will change color. Another reason will be if NEPA visited you while they were in the freezer, but as long as they remain frozen, no wahala. I'm going to use that frozen okra to prepare okra soup, delicious okra soup. Make sure you tune in for that video. Stay tuned for that video. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button so that you'll know when I upload that video. Yeah, frozen okra soup. Watch out for that. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button. Bye. See you soon.